Now, today, as I said, we have a big question. What makes a great website? And I've broken this down into 4 pillars, essentially, of engagement. Because guess what? Today's day and age, you need to engage with your audience, and it starts with content. You've heard it before, right? Content is king. Quality content. And what does that really mean, right? You hear about the search engines, keywords, phrases, optimizing. Well, you know what? You need to think about your audience first. What is it that they want? What did they engage with? What can you bring to the table, right? So it's got to be relevant. It's got to be themed. It's got to be fresh. And yes, optimized, but you need to get the content right. Now, I have a little worksheet and a little sort of overview below this in a PDF. You can download it. That'll get you started with some further tips. Second one here, which is critical, absolutely critical, is you need now to build a community, a social community. Social media is huge, right? And guess what? If you have great content, quality content, engaging content, the community will respond, like videos like this, right? If you develop that out there, and that can be in many formats, from blogs, text, audio, video, all of these things that really allow them to grab and see you and engage back, it is going to be huge. And this actually has a viral component, and I'm sure you've seen that, right? Second, or third one rather, is capture leads. All of this is for naught if you can't capture leads. And by the way, when you do these things, you create authority, trust, rapport, and by the time you get here and ask them for their name and email, you can actually nurture that relationship, send them more information, send them tips, tricks, insights, news, updates, etc. through that. So you got to capture your leads. That's essential. And the final one, guess what it is, right? Well, we all want to make money, and so monetization strategies. You probably have sales programs, product services, maybe you have a DVD home study course, teleseminars, webinars, and I have a webinar that should show up in this video right about now. And you click it, it'll take you to a webinar where I actually show you how I do these things, and I've done this online since mid-1995 now. A long time online, but it's taken me actually a long time to learn as well, so I'm right there with you. But these 4 pillars are huge, but guess what? They're nothing without this final one here. It starts with a T. And we're going to break this down for you really quick, and it's this word, tracking. You got to track it to see how it works and to make sure that you actually have a component called web analytics in there. And that's really the essence for a successful website and what really makes a great website.